In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pencil sketch effect in Affinity. So the first thing you have to do is, of course, have your image in here, and you want to first select it, and then you want to go down here to where you can see the adjustments, click on it, and then you want to go to HSL. When you do that, it's going to open up this box where you'll see saturation shift, and you want to drag this all the way to the left hand side, which is going to completely decolor your image, and then you want to click on merge. Now when you've done that, you then want to duplicate this layer, so we can also hold down Alt key on your keyboard, drag out, and you'll get a duplicate that way, or you could just do a right click and then duplicate. That's going to work as well. Then when it comes to your top layer, click on the one that's above here, and then you want to go to pixel over here, and you want to click on invert. After you've done that, have that same layer selected, go to normal over here inside blending modes, and change it to color dodge. Now for the first time you do this, it's not going to show anything, but just make sure this layer is selected. So go ahead and then click on filters on this top layer, and then you want to add on Gaussian blur, which is at the very top of these filters. In here, you want to, where it says radius, drag it up a bit, and it's going to start looking like a sketch. Now of course, don't go to the very far right because this doesn't look good. However, go like, let's say to here or something, which of course you can go to a point where it looks good for you. So I'm just gonna go to around over here. That's cool for me, and I'm gonna click on the merge button again. When you've done that here, notice how it actually changes. So if it's actually too light, you can go one step back and actually not merge it, but leave it like this. And then you want to go to the adjustments again. You want to go to the levels tab, which is at the very top, and then here where it says black level and white level, you want to bring these down a bit. So here I'm going to leave the white level at the very far right. Now it depends on, of course, which image you have, so you're gonna have to slide these a bit, but if I start to slide over this black level, it's starting to look much better. As you can see, it's starting to look much more like a sketch. So I'm going to put it onto this, let's say, and then here you can also play around with gamma if you want to. You could play around with the white levels, etc. So there's a bunch of things you can do. Make sure it looks good, then click on this X button, and then you can just basically select all of these layers. So you can select all of them, or just right click and click on merge visible. It's going to merge, and it's going to basically merge these into one image, and it now looks like a pencil sketch. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.